bagay.
Bro, hindi ka lang. Intro na tayo agad.
Intro agad?
Oo.
Excited mag-vlog uy, ganda na to ano mo. Unahin natin direct check bago intro. Magkano to?
This is 80,000 sa green.
Kasang-kasa yung ano dito, cellphone. Cellphone lang.
Pero may iba tayo. Tingnan nyo, nahihilig kasi ako lately sa Carhartt clothing.
So ano na pala to? Start na yata ng vlog eh.
So this is another segment of Good to Know Friday. So
Okay.
starting ngayon yung brand na Carhartt, syempre. There are two kinds of Carhartt, yung Carhartt Whip and the Carhartt lang mismo.
Correct.
So yung Carhartt Whip, ano ba yung Carhartt Whip, brother?
Yung Carhartt Whip, it means work in progress.
Work in progress.
Kasi si Carhartt nag-start siya talaga as worker clothes way back. Tapos naging popular and people started to like it. So they released another version which is for higher tier customers. Pero recently yan, kahit whip, trabador ka naman dito sa Fraser.
Oo naman,
Para
syempre.
kaya worker.
It's considered as work din.
Pero hindi. Actually, nag-evolve na rin naman yung fashion. Ang dami na rin naman nagpasuot ng mga Carhartt whip. Kahit hindi sila technically worker, mga NBA players nga, like Steph Curry. Yung kasing galing ko mag-shoot yun eh.
Nakikita ko nga rin sa Reels, bro, na
Nakaka-Carhartt
pag,
sila,
ano,
diba?
pag mas madumi yung Carhartt nila, mas okay daw.
Oo,
parang mas
well,
loose.
yung mga Carhartt na jacket actually, yung mga vintage, yung mga
Vintage,
Detroit na vintage, those are the ones that are yung the more na mas luma, mas rare. Recently, I even saw an article, yung Carhartt whip ni Kanye are going for like millions na ngayon
Millions
nasa
na.
mall.
So sinasabi mo, pag gagamitin ko to lagi, magiging mahal to.
Hindi magiging si Kanye West ka. So ayun, guys, yan na. Good to know Friday natin.
Siyempre, available to at Prism Store.